pleasure to be part of this forum and launch of the brand ConnectFacts. And congratulations to everyone at LFC Digital. I think digitization is the need because it brings in a lot of data points that are valuable for a business. There is no standard playbook available. So there is a lot of lack of clarity on how do you go about digitization. Also, particularly talking about our industry, I have not seen any ready solution available that can connect all processes within the manufacturing setup with automated lines, semi-automatic processes and manual processes to give a standard solution that can collate all this data and present it in a decisive manner. So though it is the need of the hour, a product that can overcome these challenges and give a solution to the industry, I think will be adopted really faster. Obviously you have the challenges of people, the attrition, but I think with digitization, those challenges will become lesser because you will be less dependent on people and more dependent on the data that you gather through these systems. So I'm eagerly looking forward to solutions. In other parts of the business, you have ERP, which are now standard solutions that take care of your transaction data. You have HRMS, which helps you manage your people. And there are a lot of products available for that, and they can be tailor-made or customized for any industry, any size of manufacturing setup. But in terms of digitization of manufacturing processes and collating data, I think we lack a product that can be easily deployed. At least in our industry, I've not seen anything come across like that.